Do you ever wake up feeling stiff, achy, heavy in your body and mentally, even though you didn't injure yourself? At least you don't think you did. Your shoulders feel tight, your hips are braced, your jaw is holding, and you can't quite explain why. And you blame it on your body. Maybe it's something you've discussed with your friends, or you talk about getting older, or you are just not that in shape anymore. But maybe it's not your body. Maybe your body isn't broken. And it's not just tight muscles. Something deeper is going on, something that literally connects every part of your body. Hey, beautiful friends, I'm Rebecca Aramini Lupo, and you are listening to the companion podcast for Body Illumination. We are talking about something called fascia, the connective tissue that wraps and links every part of your body. I like to think of it as our Spider-Man or Spider-Woman suit because it's similar to a cobweb, and it has those tensegrity properties, which is tensional integrity. Healthy fascia glides, it shares, hydrates, and allows freedom of movement. Chronic stress, repeated postures, or emotional holding can make it grip, compress, and lose elasticity, leaving you stiff, sore, or even in chronic pain. That is what I call the bad fascia sharing. Fascia is more than structural. It's a sensory organ rich with nerve endings. It listens, adapts, and responds to your emotional and physical environment. Protective bracing becomes chronic tension. Compressed fascia reduces glide, which increases pain signals. And the loop continues. As Thomas Myers shows us in his myofascial lines, which I highly recommend, tension in one area ripples through the body. Robert Schleip reminds us that fascia tone is influenced by stress and sympathetic activation. And as Bessel van der Kolk writes in The Body Keeps the Score, chronic stiffness or bracing can reflect the body holding onto lived experiences, trauma, vigilance, or long-term responsibility. Instead of seeing posture as wrong, consider it a story. Forward head, vigilance, collapsed chest, protection. Ribs flare, bracing. Jaw gripping, unspoken words. What if your posture isn't failing? It's protecting you. Chronic compression can limit circulation, reduce glide, and feed pain. Emotional suppression shows up as muscular bracing. Over responsibility or lack of support can create pelvic floor tension or shoulder girdle stiffness. Our tissues respond to lived experience, and chronic pain is often an adaptation, not a betrayal. This is nature. As a mom, I often see how we often try to hold everything together. Our bodies are just trying to keep us all together. The good news, glide can be restored, micro movements, oscillations, gentle spirals, and subtle somatic exercises can reintroduce fluidity without force. Simple practices like oscillating micro movements, softening the jaw, tongue release, slow humming to activate the vagus nerve, yielding weight into the floor. Move your body and like in yin, add load to your tissues in a good way. All of this can hydrate tissues, restore glide, and calm our nervous system. In yogic anatomy, nadis are subtle energy channels that distribute prana, which is our life force, throughout the body. Fascia, being a continuous hydrated network, mirrors this concept. When fascia is stuck or compressed, energy, prana, and blood lymph flow can feel restricted. Practices that open nadis, twisting, gentle spirals, lateral stretches can restore glide in fascia while also calming the nervous system. Strained fascia doesn't need force, it needs safety, presence, and subtle movement to remember how to slide. If you put someone in a compromised position, they become compromised. As a mom, I can relate to this. I need my R&R regularly. So maybe your body isn't broken. Maybe it's holding you together. Let's support that body. Let's do that together. Go try one of the many classes on my channel. Go shine your light. Namaste. If you want a little more structure and consistency for your nervous system, your body, your life, I created a 6-month calendar, 5 days a week and 7 for members, 27 weeks of curated practices, all available immediately in a PDF with links to the classes. I'll put some information below. And I also have a Patreon and a YouTube membership for extra exclusives if you're interested in extra support on your wellness journey. Move, stretch, strengthen, regulate, and shine.